What's going on, guys? Part 4 in quick succession. So today I'm hoping to get the engine completely closed off, apart from the rocker cover. So rocker cover is going to go away for two AN10 fittings for a oil catch can. But basically we want to get the bottom end completely sealed up, obviously get the cams and get it timed up. So there's also a few little bits and bobs to put seals on as well, but we'll get through that. Yeah, thank you everybody that has liked the video so far. Are you enjoying it? More importantly, you know, is it something that interests you, or you just want to see me kicking its head in? Yeah, like I say, if you're not subscribed, if you could hit that subscribe button, I'd be appreciative. And also if you could like the videos as well, obviously it helps out. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel, so yeah, any love is appreciated. And like I say, if you've got any comments, you know, please just put them down below. You know, happy to talk to you. I always want to talk to you anyway. So without further ado, let's get cracked on. I'll see you at the end. Right, okay, so we've got the oil baffle plate installed. 6 M10s. They were they were torqued down to 12 Newton meters. So now what we're going to do is install the oil pump. So what I found, or a way to do it, is basically get it onto the bottom cog, just to make sure that it's in properly, and there you have it. So just give it a couple of taps to make sure she's all in. That's it. Cool. Right, next thing to do is let's get this guide on. Right, what I'm going to try and do is cut these cable ties off now. The whole idea of the cable ties was just trying to keep all the lifters together. Yeah, try and get it somewhere near. I was hoping that it would just drop into place, but I think because some of these cable ties are getting in the way and I can't find my pliers, that's better. Right, if I remove the bolts, right, the back ones for them, and these are the front ones for in here. Right, where's my persuader gone? I've had tools everywhere today. There we go. Right. Let's get some lube on these. Leave that there. Go and get the cams. So this is the exhaust. So you've got the exhaust there. So the instruction tells us to basically drop it in at top dead centre, but I suppose it'll go in however it wants. Feels feels comfortable there. And here's the intake side. I can get rid of that now. Here. So top dead centre's there. Just want to get it so it sits in nice and snug. So a little bit off, but we can alter the timing anyway. Right, okay. What else do I need to do? Right, get some lube on these. Right. And also what I'll do is I'll just move the pistons ever so slightly from top dead centre, so because these not timed up properly, don't want to be smacking the valves on the pistons. Just want to be a little bit cautious. There you go, that'll do. Right, also need to remember that, so I'll get these in. So cam caps are marked, labelled up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. I need to remember. Oop. What I'll do is I'll torque it all up, and then I'll have to undo these two basically, so that when I'm putting the chain on, it doesn't get in the way. The cams are set at top dead centre. What I did was I put an adjustable spanner on this here, rotated it, and at the back there's these like guide holes basically to hold the cams at top dead centre. As you can see, using drill bits because I don't have the Honda tool, so improvising. But like I say, now what I'm going to do is I've got the OEM chain somewhere. The OEM chain's got marks on it as well, so should just line up, I'm hoping, and they do, which is bang on, and then there should be another one down here. So what I'll do is put the first guide on. Let's get you a little bit closer. So I've got the tensioner installed now. Torque this up. I'm going to torque these two bolts up. And 8.7 foot-pound of torque, that is. Cool, now you can pull that out, the pin. There you go, tensioned up. So you can see the timing marks. So that's your top dead centre. And if I take you off the stand, yeah, there you go. Zoom, focus, there you go, top dead centre there, and there's also a little mark there. You can't see it, it's like a little dot, but there's a little line there as well, so that all lines up. And that is how you time your motor. So right, we can get the front cover on now. Yeah. Tells you to be pretty quick with stuff. Honda Bond. First bolt. I'll try and do it without smearing it everywhere. The time has come to install the Sump. So I've got all my Honda Bond done. What I'm going to do now is try and get it somewhere near. There's a couple of dowels in there as well, located dowels. So just give that a good whack. Here we go. Where are you? Sound as a pound. Right, we can get the bolts in now. And just like that, the Sump's installed. All torqued down to the specified torque, and also torqued in sequence as well. Even put a little magnetic Sump plug now. Oil coolers on, and I put quite a few of the sensors as well. Got obviously crank sensor there, and what is it? Top dead center for the cams. I think there's a temperature sensor as well, just there. It's cool. Still got to put that rear main seal in, but I'll do that later on. I need to also get this little bush out as well somehow, because I've got a replacement one. That's pretty much it. She's pretty much all buttoned up now. There she is. Pretty much got everything on. I've got the ancillaries to put on, water pump down there, intake put down. I think what I'm going to do, just to finish the video off, is I'll lash the valves. that's pretty much it. Yeah, made some massive progress. Just trying to think now. I think that's pretty much all. Put the ancillaries on. She's ready to, well, and then do the diff. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Got the diff to do as well. But other than that, yeah, we're pretty much bang on getting her in the car. I think Gilly's going to pop down, help us put her in. Don't know. It's just crazy to think that the beginning of this year she blew up, and it's almost going to be the beginning of next year that we put her in. But yeah, looking forward to it. So I'll crack on with this. Basically, to set the lashes, there's a tolerance that Honda recommends. It's between point. Tell you what, I'll show you if you can see it. It's 0.21 to 0.25 mil. So here's the feeler gauge. What I've done is I've gone in the middle at 0.23 mil. You just put it between the keeper and the screw. There should be a tiny bit of drag. There seems to be a bit. I've just rotated the crankshaft 180 degrees, so it's now cylinder number 3 that we're going to be adjusting the valves on. So we've rotated the crank again 180 degrees. We'll work on cylinder number 4. So we're going to do intake side first. Again, we've rotated the crankshaft 180 degrees, so we'll start on intake side. Again, we're going 0.23 mil. So that is a wrap on this video. It's the 24th of December. On some of the clips you'll probably see the dates of when I filmed it last time, purely because I had the head cam on and I didn't set it so that the time and the date was stamped on the video, so lol. But anyway guys, from myself and my family, all you guys that are watching, I just want to say Merry Christmas to you all, and hopefully after Christmas I'll have another video out, and that's ripping the gearbox apart and putting the diff in. But if it's after New Year, I want to wish you all Happy New Year too. So stay safe, make sure you spend plenty of time with your family, and I'll see you very soon. Peace. Purple Lamborghini lurking.